Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the paragraph font in WordPress, step by step. If you want to improve your website design and make your text look more professional, this tutorial is for you. On your WordPress dashboard, to change the font, all we need to do is go to Appearance. You can find Appearance on the left side of your dashboard. When you hover your mouse over Appearance, you will see three options: Themes, Editor, and Fonts. You can change the fonts directly by clicking on Fonts here. However, you need to have the right plan so that you can customize the fonts of your paragraph. If you want to edit the font manually, just go to the editor under Appearance. Here, you will be able to design or change the fonts. Once you are in the editor, just click Styles, then click Typography and change the font you want. You can change the link fonts and the heading fonts as well. To do this, simply click on the option and then choose the font you want to use for your password. You can also go to your pages and edit the fonts again. Click Edit, and you can change the fonts by selecting the one you prefer. You can make the text bold or adjust it according to your preferences. Now, you can also change the fonts or set up the prepared fonts on your dashboard. You can even use code if you prefer. The purpose of this tutorial is to help you change the font style of paragraph text in WordPress using theme customizations, block editor settings, custom CSS, and Appearance. This guide will walk you through simple methods so you can control how your content looks on your website. And that's it. Now we know how to change the paragraph font in WordPress.